Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix add music to Instagram not showing. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for Instagram and you need to update your Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and go into the settings of your smartphone and go into the app management and go into the app list, and here you need to search for the Instagram. Okay, here you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and click on permissions and allow all permissions from here. Then you need to go back and log in into your Instagram account. Okay, once you log in, you simply need to click on the messenger icon on the top right, and here you need to click on the plus icon on the note, and here you can see a music option. Click on that and you can easily add music from here. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.